Hey, what's going on guys, Oscar Mini here, and in today's video, which is pretty much a short tutorial, I would be guiding you through the process to fixing a lot of issues if you use an iPhone or iOS device, and the tool we'll be using here in this tutorial is the Dr.Fone toolkit with the system repair feature. Common issues that can be fixed using this app include being stuck at the boot loop screen and not being able to boot into your device, stuck on the iTunes logo, or even stuck in the recovery mode. Here is a simple yet effective guide to get a lot of iOS issues out of the way. And so without taking much of your time, yo guys, let's get started. Before we continue, here are the prerequisites for this. You need a computer, the Dr.Fone software, which I have linked in the description below, and obviously the device to be fixed. In case you're wondering what Dr.Fone repair software is, it is a PC app that helps you unlock and fix a lot of issues with smartphone devices such as data recovery, screen unlock, which I made a video in the past and I have links in the description box below, WhatsApp transfer, phone backup, and a host more. So you would need to get it on your PC for the process. You can download the Windows or Mac versions depending on your OS of choice for this process. I'll be using the Mac in this tutorial. After you have launched the software on your computer, connect the defective iPhone, iPad or iPod, generally the iOS device you want to fix, to your computer using the USB to Lightning connector. Launch Dr.Fone Toolkit and click on the System Repair feature, as this is the option to fix or repair an iOS system. You should have another dialog box pop up with further instruction. Now before we move on, note that this feature would not fix a dead hardware, meaning no hardware failure fixes. You wouldn't lose your data from the device, and more so, it would update your device's OS to the latest available OS. So moving on, after connecting the device, click on Start. You get this prompt that reminds you to use quality non-broken cable without a USB extender or loose USB port. Pretty much the basic stuff. Click OK to launch the next set of instructions. To connect your iPhone, click on Start, then hold the power and home buttons at the same time. Release the power button while still holding the home button. This method takes the device into the DFU mode, which is the device firmware update mode. If your device is the iPhone 7 or higher, you can click on the tab that applies to your device and follow the instructions stated. For instance, the iPhone 7 and 7 Plus require you hold the volume down and power buttons for the process, while the iPhone 8, 8 Plus and 10 require you quickly press and release the volume up button and then the volume down key, before finally holding the power button until you see the recovery mode. After this step, follow the provided guide and wait for the device to get updated with the latest iOS update. This might take a little while depending on your internet connection, and your device should safely reboot into a working iOS device. The guys at Dr.Fone are currently having Halloween sales with up to 80% off for the toolkit right now. So if this is something you might want to check out for the system repair feature or other features I mentioned earlier, you can check out the link in the description box below. So that's how easy it is to repair your broken iOS device which is stuck in a boot loop or any of the issues I mentioned earlier, and also without losing your data. Do let me know what you think about this tutorial in the comment section below, and also do not forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Other than that, is goodbye, and I'ma catch you in the next one. Kawi that day.